Okay friends, we are here with my new video. In this tutorial I will tell you about Mac changer. मैं इस वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा कि आप कैसे अपनी Mac आईडी चेंज कर सकते हैं एक रैंडम Mac आईडी से। तो इस वीडियो में मैंने पैरेट ओएस यूज़ किया है। आप कोई सा भी ओएस यूज़ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आपके उस ओएस में Mac changer होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। मैं दिखा देता हूँ आपको कि Mac changer दिखता कैसा है। तो Mac changer एक स्निफिंग टूल है, तो वो स्निफिंग एंड स्पूफिंग में आएगा। तो ये रहा है मैक चेंजर। मैक चेंजर दिखता है ऐसा, देख सकते हैं आप। तो हम जान लेते हैं कि मैक चेंजर करेगा क्या। तो मैक चेंजर एक ऐसा स्क्रिप्ट है या एक ऐसा एप्लीकेशन है, लिनक्स बेस्ड एप्लीकेशन है, जो आपके किसी भी डिवाइस के मैक आईडी को चेंज कर सकता है, जिससे आप नेटवर्क स्पूफिंग कर सकते हैं या फिर स्नैपिंग कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो get started with the Mac changer. First of all, we have to start the terminal and get started with the root privileges. So to get the root privileges, we use sudo su and enter. I have to enter the password. My enter is okay. I have entered the password. Clear the screen. Now I have the root privileges, so I can start the Mac changer now. Before starting the Mac changer, I want to tell you something. I will show you about both Ethernet and LAN adapter, because Ethernet is very easy, so everyone can change the MAC address of Ethernet. But in the case of LAN adapter, we have to do some difficult stuff that a beginner does not do. So I will tell you a tutorial of this in this video. So first we will start with the Ethernet. So what is Ethernet? How to check the Ethernet? Ethernet, to check our Ethernet we use ifconfig. Okay, there is ETH, that means Ethernet 0, and there is INET, that means our IP address, and there is Ethernet MAC address. This means that is our permanent MAC address. Okay, now check that MAC changer is also saying this MAC address as a permanent address or not. So first we have to open the Mac changer -h or --help. Okay, here we are. So first is the help that we used here, and we start from the second. The second flag is -v flag, that means version flag. So what is the version of a Mac changer? Mac changer -v flag. Okay, sorry, my mistake. V flag. Okay, so the version of a Mac changer is 1.7.0. Mac changer 1.7.0. So I think that this is the latest version, because I had downloaded the latest version of Parrot OS, that is 5.28 GB. So the second flag is S, that means so. This will print the MAC address and exit. So this will print your current MAC address and your permanent MAC address. So let us get started with this. So Mac changer and -s flag, and for what interface you want to know your MAC ID, and that interface is ETH0, and that means Ethernet 0, and then press enter. So this is my current MAC address and this is my permanent MAC address. So let's get in Hindi. So आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे मैंने जो ifconfig में अपने Ethernet का जो MAC एड्रेस चेक किया था, वो फर्स्ट के हम 3 नंबर्स देखते हैं, तो वो होता है 0800 एंड 27, एंड जो मैक चेंजर ने हमें बताया वो था 0800 and 27. That means it is working good. That stuff is really working good. Okay, so next we will talk about minus e flag, that means ending flag. Okay, that is not in the beginners course, so we will leave that and jump up to the next flag, that is a, that means another flag. So इस फ्लैग में हमें क्या कर होगा कि जो मैक चेंजर है वो हमारा जो मैक आईडी होगा वो किसी रैंडम वेंडर के नाम पे चेंज कर देगा. व्हाट इज रैंडम वेंडर? So vendor are those person who sell at any devices. ओके, वेंडर वो पर्सन होते हैं जो डिवाइसेस को सेल करते हैं. तो जो हमारे मैक एड्रेस के शुरू के 3 पेयर होते हैं, यानी कि मेरा जो ईथरनेट का मैक एड्रेस है वो है 0800 and 27. तो ये जो 3 नंबर हैं वो इनको चेंज कर देगा और उन वेंडर के मैक एड्रेस से चेंज करेगा जिसका हम मतलब देंगे, या फिर वो रैंडमली चेंज कर देगा और जो आगे के होंगे वो रैंडम रहेंगे. सो लेट्स ट्राई इट. मैक चेंजर minus a flag, and what type of interface? That is ETS 0, that means Ethernet 0. So and I will hit enter now, and my new MAC address is this. If I check this in the ifconfig, let's see what it will say. Yes, it will saying the MAC address that is changed. See, this is the new MAC address and this is the Ethernet MAC address. Okay, that means this stuff is really working. Now come to the next flag, that is a flag. This is also the another flag that we have used recently, so we can hop this and hop to permanent. So the next flag is hyphen p flag, that is permanent. This flag will reset your MAC ID to the permanent MAC ID. So let's see what is our permanent MAC ID. Uh, yes, this is our permanent MAC ID, and using this flag will change my MAC ID from this MAC ID to this MAC ID. Let's see it is working or not. What was it? P. Let's see. Oh, sorry. It's a little bit confusing in capital small. Okay. Current MAC address was this, and permanent MAC address was this, and new MAC address was this. So it is changed my permanent MAC address to my permanent MAC address. So we will check it. So ifconfig. I have my permanent MAC Ethernet address as this. That means this stuff is working really good. Now हम बढ़ते हैं दूसरे स्टेप पर. हमारा है R, that means random. ओके, तो अगर हम इस माइनस आर फ्लैग को यूज़ करेंगे तो हमारा जो मैक आईडी होगा वो रैंडमली किसी के साथ भी चेंज हो सकता है. अब वो कोई सा भी वेंडर हो, चाहे वो इंडिया का हो, चाहे अमेरिका का हो, कहीं का भी हो, वो किसी भी वेंडर के मैक आईडी के साथ चेंज कर देगा. तो हम देखते हैं. तो हमारी जो न्यू मैक आईडी है वो बन के आई है ये. ओके, बट दैट इज़ अननोन. दिस मीन्स इसके पास कोई भी ये मैक आईडी किसी भी वेंडर के पास नहीं है. So this is my new MAC ID and we can check it through ifconfig. Okay, here is our Ethernet MAC ID. This changed. So this is also working. Now hop to the next flag, that is minus L. Minus L flag will list all the vendors available on your either matlab available on your device. So if I will use this, it will list all the available vendors that are using Mac ID. And please wait, let me scroll it. Okay, here we are. So if I use this, then my Mac will be changed to the vendor of this corporation. Okay, if I use this Mac. So how can I use this Mac? To use this Mac, I will use -m flag. Okay, तो हाउ टू यूज -m flag, ये मैंने पहले इसकी प्रैक्टिस करके नहीं देखी है, ये मैं अभी ही प्रैक्टिस करने जा रहा हूँ. ओके, सो get started. Mac changer here and m flag, and then the Mac ID you want to change with, that is this. Copy this and paste this, and the interface, that is Ethernet 0, and then hit enter. Okay, there is a mistake. Okay, I have got the error and tried it till I got the success. So I knew that how to change the MAC address as my choice. So we were using the -m flag to change our MAC address to our choice. So MAC changer -m flag, and sorry, and I have pasted the Sony PCWC10 vendor MAC address, and I will randomly enter any MAC address of particular 3 pairs. So I will enter 3B and 43 and 50. You will enter any random MAC address, and then the interface that you want to change the MAC address. Mine is ETS0, that means Ethernet 0, and then enter, and then it has changed as the MAC ID that we entered in the command line. It is same as we entered. So this was the full tutorial of Mac changer. If you want more, please subscribe my channel and like to my videos, and please comment which type of video do you want. Thanks for watching.